If someone offered you $1 million to stop buying coffee for 10 years, would you take it? This is essentially what compound interest can do. Welcome to the power of compound interest. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to grow their wealth effortlessly over time? The secret often lies in understanding and leveraging the power of compound interest. Whether you're a new investor or a student just starting to think about your financial future, compound interest is a concept you can't afford to ignore. Simply put, compound interest is the process of earning interest not only on your initial investment, but also on the interest that accumulates over time. This creates a snowball effect, where your money grows faster the longer it stays invested. Albert Einstein even called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, for a reason. It has the potential to transform small, consistent savings into significant wealth. How compound interest works. To understand how compound interest works, let's break it down. Imagine you invest $1,000 in an account that offers an annual interest rate of 5%. At the end of the first year, you'll earn $50 in interest, bringing your total to $1,050. In the second year, you'll earn interest not just on your original $1,000, but on the $1,050 as well. That means your interest for the second year will be slightly higher, $52.50, making your total $1,102.50. Over time, this compounding effect accelerates, especially if you reinvest your earnings and don't withdraw them. The frequency of compounding, whether it's daily, monthly, or annually, can also make a big difference. The more frequently the interest compounds, the faster your money grows. Why starting early matters. One of the most important factors in maximizing the benefits of compound interest is time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. For example, if you invest $100 per month starting at age 20 and earn an average annual return of 7%, you could have over $240,000 by age 60. But if you wait until age 30 to start, that same monthly investment would grow to only about $120,000. That's the power of starting early. It gives compound interest more years to work its magic. Even small amounts can add up significantly over decades. So don't underestimate the value of starting with whatever you can afford today. Practical tips for leveraging compound interest. Now that you understand the concept, how can you apply it? First, consider opening a high-yield savings account or investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Look for opportunities with competitive interest rates or strong long-term growth potential. Second, automate your contributions to ensure consistency. Regularly adding even small amounts to your investment can make a big difference over time. Lastly, be patient and avoid withdrawing your earnings prematurely. Compound interest rewards those who stay invested for the long haul, so think of it as a marathon rather than a sprint. Conclusion: your financial future starts today. Compound interest is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth, but it requires discipline, patience, and a long-term mindset. Whether you're saving for retirement, a major purchase, or simply building financial security, the sooner you start, the better. Remember, even small steps today can lead to significant rewards tomorrow. So take action, invest wisely, and let the power of compound interest work for you. Your future self will thank you.